Hi guys! Welcome back again to my channel. So for today's video, naka-receive po tayo ng payment from Coinpayu.com. So this is the part 3 of our Coinpayu review. So very legit po siya kasi naka-receive po tayo ng payment from Coinpayu.com. So we have just sent a payment of 0.1282 BCH to your Bitcoin Cash address. So yun po yung Bitcoin address ko, and you may also check your account history withdrawals. So this is my email ad. Ayan. So yun. And then let's see kung pumasok po siya dito sa coins.ph ko. So this is our coins.ph. Receive money from external BCH 001282. 2:57 PM 4/30/2021. April 30 ko siya na-receive. And then we also receive money from external account BCH 0.012. Ayan. So yun, naka-receive din tayo niyan. And that's it. So this is the website that we are talking about. It's about coinpayu.com. So I will link down below kung ito yung website na yan para direct kayo kung anong website po ito. And if you haven't watched the tutorial, we have the part 1 and part 2. Doon diniscuss po natin kung paano tayo kikita dito ng real money online. So this is an extra income lang naman po. So let's see our recap, the dashboard. So as we can see, we also still have 293 Satoshi. And then kung magwi-withdraw lang po kayo, just click withdraw. And then so ito, meron siya mga BTC, Bitcoin. So kung meron kayong mga coins.ph, so i-link nyo na lang po yung mismong Bitcoin wallet address nyo po dito sa Coinpayu, and then para doon po nyo ma-receive yung mga payment. And then no-wonder ako kung bakit yung price niya is $55,666. So may mga ganyan. Hindi ko alam kung ayan ba yung laman ng pera ng Coinpayu na ibibigay nila sa atin. So kasi nag-withdraw ko dito from Bitcoin Cash ng 2,000 Satoshi. Ayan. So tinry ko po maka-withdraw, and naka-receive naman tayo so from coins.ph. So 2,000 Satoshi lang po withdraw ko dyan. And then Bitcoin Cash, and then meron siyang $1,194.34. So ayan, medyo question mark sa akin kung ano ba yung, siguro yan yung laman ng nila, ng Bitcoin Cash nila na pwede ibigay sa atin. So ayun lang naman. So kapag mag-withdraw ka ulit, pipili ka lang naman kung ano yung Bitcoin address, kung ano yung wallet address kung saan ka mag-withdraw dito. And then syempre ang gagawin nyo lang naman dito ay mag-view ng mga ads. Yan, may mga serve, like for example, i-click nyo lang naman yan, then may lalabas na ads. So back natin, after the ads, you have earned 3.7 Satoshi. So ganun lang naman, mag-view lang kayo ng ads, and then iba-back nyo lang siya, then you will earn Satoshi. So meron siyang seconds na nakalagay doon sa mismong dashboard, kung ilang seconds nyo siya kailangan mag-stay kayo doon bago kayo umalis. Okay, then i-back nyo lang. So yan, you're close to advertisement too soon. So kailangan mag-stay kayo doon ng 30 seconds kasi hindi nyo makukuha yung Satoshi kapag bumalik kayo kagad. So you have to stay on the ads ng 30 seconds. Ayan, may mga time naman siya po. And that's it. So meron dyang window ads. Ayan, mag-window. Ayan. So yung kung ano yung mga naka-blue, yun yung mga available na ads. And then you can also video ads na pwede nyo i-play dito and you will earn more Satoshi. And then, syempre, so pinaka-importante dito is yung withdraw. So, na-explain ko na yan on our part 1 and part 2 na you can still watch naman yung our review. Yan. So, okay, pili na lang kayo kung saan kayo mag-withdraw dito and you will earn your money. Grabe yung Bitcoin na $57,000, no? Sana yan makuha natin. So, kailangan nyo lang magsipag na mag-view ng mga ads and then, pwede kayong sumako dito, di ba? Ako kasi Bitcoin Cash ang ginagamit ko using my coins.ph. Alright, so minimum withdrawal natin dito is 2,000 Satoshi and then you can earn $1,224.24. So yun yung pwede nyo kitain dito guys. Alright, so thank you so much for watching and that's it. So very legit ang ating Coinpayu review dahil naka-receive nga tayo ng proof of payment here. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye guys!